In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fold and unfold in MindNode. To begin, open MindNode on your Mac, iPhone, or iPad, and load the mind map you want to work with. Folding and unfolding are great for keeping a large, complex map tidy. They let you hide detail when you're brainstorming at a high level, then reveal it again when you're ready to dive deeper without deleting or moving anything. Next, identify the node you want to manage. In MindNode, a node is any topic or subtopic connected to others. When a node has items branching off of it, those are its child nodes, and the node they hang from is the parent. Folding a node collapses all of its child nodes under that parent, so you can focus on the main idea without the visual noise. On a Mac, click the node you want to fold. You'll see a small triangle next to it. Click that triangle to collapse the branch. The children tuck away, and the node stays in place, showing that there's more content hidden beneath it. On iPhone or iPad, tap the node, then tap the fold icon that appears next to it. The branch collapses in the same way, hiding all of the child nodes while keeping the structure intact. Nothing is deleted. Everything is simply out of sight for now. If you prefer keyboard shortcuts on Mac, select the node and press Option plus right arrow to fold. On some keyboards, the Option key might be labeled Alt. Shortcuts are especially helpful when you're moving quickly through a map and want to keep your hands on the keyboard. When you're ready to see the details again, unfolding is just as straightforward. On a Mac, click the triangle next to the folded node to expand the branch and reveal the child nodes. On iPhone or iPad, tap the triangle beside the folded node to bring everything back into view. And with a keyboard on Mac, select the node and press Option plus left arrow to unfold. A couple of quick tips to make this smoother. If you don't see a triangle, make sure the node actually has child nodes and that the node is selected. Zooming in slightly can also make small icons easier to tap or click. You can fold and unfold at any level of your map, whether it's a main topic or a detailed subtopic, which makes this feature perfect for presenting, focusing your thoughts, or organizing research. That's all you need to keep your MindNode maps clean, readable, and under control using fold and unfold, whether you're on Mac or on your iPhone or iPad.